Alright, so I'm going to try to keep this video quick, but if you're like me trying to do the TryHackMe, one of the first rooms here, intro to offensive security, and you're having issues, none of the YouTube videos I found addressed it, and so we're going to hop in and explore the fix that I found. So, say you already booted up your machine in the attack box, and then you open up the terminal here, and you go to run the first command in the command line, but as you can see, it just says root and then the IP address for the machine instead of the TryHackMe desktop, etc., here. And then when you try to run, this command here, it doesn't work for you. If that's the situation you find yourself in, and you're like, how come I don't have the desktop right here? I couldn't figure it out either. And then I was poking around on the desktop. I opened up Firefox. It didn't show me the FakeBank webpage like it showed other users until I went down here and clicked on Hack FakeBank, which I didn't see initially. And then it pulls up and looks like what it's supposed to look like that I saw in the other videos. And so I'm going to end the video right there because hopefully that fixes the issue and that it works just like it should. And I'm going to go ahead and try to solve this box. Hope that helped.